Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send crypto on Exodus. So the first step you need to do is to open Exodus app, and this is the Exodus app interface. You need to log in into your account and you need to click on this icon. Once you click on that, then this option will pop up. And from here you need to select the currency that you want to transfer, that is the crypto that you want to transfer. And on the next page, here you can see that you have this option. So you need to click on that. Once you click on that, this open option will show you that BTC and USD. So you need to select BTC, and once you select it, you can select USD as well. And from here you need to add the amount and paste your destination address here. Once you paste that, here you need to scan the QR code and tap to paste BTC address. So here you need to add the BTC address, and here you can see that. Then you need to click on three dots on the top right. Once you click on that, you have the option that is you can increase the recommend fees, that is acceleration RBF, that is enable. Personal note, if you want to add, you can add here, and here you need to click on send. Once you click on that, transactions are permanent. Then you need to click on OK and click on slide to transfer. So this is the process that you need to follow to send crypto on Exodus. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.